Albina Zakir Academy স্বাগতম। Welcome to my new channel. একটি চ্যানেল, one channel, অনেক কিছু শেখার। চলো আমরা শুরু করি। So much to learn. Let's get into it. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Albina and this is Albina Zakir Academy. I am a student and this channel is where I share some things I'm learning, one video at a time every day. On this channel we'll speak in English, Bangla and Arabic because learning can happen in any language. We'll learn practical skills, coding, editing, speaking, vocabulary, science, cooking, storytelling, alongside Islamic understandings and values too, meaning not just skill but also the right direction. What's coming? Cholo dekhi ki ashbe ei channel. Let's see what will come to this channel. First, code with Albina, Scratch and Python from the very beginning, step by step. And the second, behind the edit, how I edit these videos, CapCut, Canva, the whole process. And then speak up, public speaking, vocabulary and tongue twisters in English, Bangla and Arabic. After that, reflections, simple conversations on Islamic understandings and values. And then experiments, simple science experiments you can do at home, alongside kitchen lab, easy cookings for young people, and finally story time sessions to spark your imagination. New videos rotating through each category, so whatever there is that day, coding, science experiment or storytelling, there's always something new but always from the same place. Honestly, I'm building this channel exactly the way I learned it from someone. No complicated jargons, no assuming you already know it, just simple, clear explanations. So that's Albina Zakir Academy. Coding, editing, speaking, vocabulary, science, cooking, storytelling, all explained together. New videos every day, and you're here from the very beginning. That's genuinely exciting. Now it's your turn. Comment what category you're excited for the most. Subscribe, turn on notifications. See you on the next video. Jazakallahu khairan.